Hello and welcome to my channel. We're going to review today a monster truck from Body RC. Is the WOV Racing. It's a beautiful monster truck, electric. And right now, what we're going to do is we're going to do the unboxing. So stay with me. This is a one-man show, so this truck is being provided at no charge for review for Body RC in Columbus, Ohio. So let's see what we got. Beautiful. We got the body, tires. Wow. First quality tires. Let's take the cover off. And let's take the truck. There is another box right here. Let's take the trucks. Ooh, it's heavy. Okay, and we have right here a neck strap and a nice cover, a nice bag to carry your truck. Fantastic, love it. Very nice. And we have some kind of neck strap or something like that. Yeah, it's the neck strap and the instructions. And right here, bear with me, is only a man with one hand. This seems to be the controller. Let me put the camera away for a second. And we have a nice controller. Must be a 2.4. I don't see any antennas. We got the on and on switch right here, and more controls. Right here we have more switches, throttle. So we're gonna find out how this truck, how good it is. Bear with me, and let's see the truck. Oh, we have a very nice suspension. Let's see how this come apart. It got some press on things on it. So we have right here type of a special type of a holder for the body. So let's see how this one goes. We're gonna press in the center of this, and this come out. Press in the center, this come out. Press in the center. This come out. Press in the center, and this come out. And we're gonna move it away. So now we're gonna press again, and the body comes out. As you can see, these tabs right here retract when you push down. So you push down, and it comes out. And now we have the body out. Wow. This is a beautiful truck. Look at the suspension. Suspension is fantastic. It's very cushy. Okay, we have the arms right here, bowling plastic. The axle right here is all with suspension, and right here you can actually turn this wheel and adjust your suspension stiffness. So we got a metal bar right here and a holder for the cable. Wow, a huge ESC and a very nice motor with cooling and a fan that goes on top of the cooling fins into the motor. Seems to me that this is a 4x4, so it should have two. Cannot see it here, but two transmission cases. Looks fantastic. In the rear you have this wheelie attachment, so when you go up like this, actually you ride on this wheelie wheels. Very strong material. Right here it says power, so that must be the switch right here to power this truck. Very nice XT90, I believe this one is. So, and we have right here the battery case for this truck. It's a cover. And let's see if we can find batteries for this thing. And we'll be right back. So actually we did a modification in the truck. We changed the block from the ESC to a XT60 because actually is the batteries that I have right here at home in stock in order to run this baby, because the ones that they have the EC5 connector like this one, which will fit this, that came with the truck, is a 6S, and I don't have 4S with EC5, so I will have to be XT60 for now, and it will work just fine. So because most of the batteries that I have are XT60 and XT90. Now the XT90 will not fit here, okay? So don't even try. It's an EC5 connector like this one. This one will fit here with no problem. You will need for your transmitter batteries. You just push it down and pretty much lift it, and you will need AA8s, 4 AA batteries. The direction where how the batteries are installed are marked in the bottom of the battery bay. So you have a beautiful neck strap that comes with it. You press this button right here, and the this ring will come off, and it's separate from the transmitter. Let me see if I can do it. A man, one hand show. So there you go, and it comes out, and you just put it back like that, and press the button, and it will. Let's see. There you go, and it goes in. So beautiful neck strap, beautiful bag. You have a binding plug on your bag case, but actually the binding plug was not needed because the truck is already bound to the transmitter. So now, one thing for sure, do not run this truck indoors. Do not run this monster truck inside the house. It has a tremendous amount of torque and speed. It will go out of your hands in seconds. Very powerful. Just by plugging it in and just touching the throttle. So do not run this truck indoors. Okay, by no means. It's a 4-cell, but it's extremely powerful. So beware of it. Go outside to do it. Let's see, we talk about changing. I changed the to an XT60 because I don't have batteries that are EC5. That's the reason why I change it. And that'll be all for now. Okay, let's do it again. Let's put the locks. Here we go. Strap. That left, right, forward. We're gonna put this in 100. 100 right there. So everything to the right. These two buttons, everything to the right. Oh, okay. Insta360 is good. All right. Let's do this. That's full throttle right there, my God.